Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into precision electronics with a guide to the best BGA rework stations. These essential tools are perfect for repairing and reworking ball grid array components on circuit boards, making them indispensable for technicians and engineers. We'll be showcasing top models that offer precise temperature control, durability, and advanced features for professional-grade results. Ready to upgrade your electronics repair toolkit? Let's get started. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. BGA 853 AAA 1200W Preheating Station. The BGA 853 AAA 1200W Preheating Station is a comprehensive, feature-packed tool perfect for professionals and hobbyists tackling a wide range of soldering and rework projects. Combining advanced functionality, precise temperature control, and versatile heating options, this station ensures efficiency and accuracy for PCB repairs, BGA rework, and more. Advanced features for precision work. The station's auto and manual work modes offer flexibility, letting you choose between automated convenience or manual precision. Its temperature correction function ensures accurate settings, providing reliable results for delicate soldering tasks. Stable and versatile heating. The BGA 853 AAA delivers exceptional temperature stability, maintaining a precise range of 50 to 480 degrees Celsius. This level of control is critical for achieving optimal results, whether you're soldering, preheating, or reworking components. Its 120 liters per minute high-temp heat gun and 60 W soldering iron provide versatile heating options for various applications, from intricate repairs to large-scale tasks. Generous preheat area. One of its standout features is the 120 by 120 millimeters preheat plate, designed to handle larger components efficiently. This ensures even heat distribution, reducing the risk of component damage and improving the overall workflow for PCB repairs. Number 4. Quick 861DW1000W Heat Gun. The Quick 861DW1000W Heat Gun Rework Station is a professional-grade soldering solution that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. Designed for lead-free soldering, this station is ideal for precision rework tasks on various electronic components. Intelligent features for seamless operation. At the heart of the Quick 861DW is its intelligent soldering system, offering features like password protection for setting security and auto sleep mode to conserve energy when not in use. Number 3. SUGIN 86 501300W Hot Air Rework Station. If you're looking for a professional-grade rework station, the SUGIN 86 501300W Hot Air Rework Station is a standout choice for BGA PCB chip repair. With intelligent features and a sleek design, it offers versatility and precision that caters to both professionals and serious hobbyists. One of its star features is the cold air/hot air conversion. Switching effortlessly between hot and cold air gives you the flexibility to cool components quickly or tackle delicate soldering tasks with ease. This adaptability ensures it's suitable for a wide range of applications. The dual-station design further enhances efficiency. Its 6-air gun nozzle storage setup keeps everything organized, saving time and space during intricate repairs. This thoughtful design makes it ideal for those managing multiple tasks or projects. Efficiency is taken up a notch with the multi-channel memory storage. Number 2. ACHI IR 6500 Infrared BGA Soldering Rework Station. The ACHI IR 6500 Infrared BGA Soldering Rework Station is a versatile, cost-effective solution for repairing a wide range of electronics, from motherboards to gaming consoles. Designed with both professionals and DIY enthusiasts in mind, this station offers advanced features and reliable performance for intricate soldering and rework tasks. One of its standout features is its USB interface, enabling easy integration with external devices for precise control and monitoring. Coupled with its 2 temperature zones, this station provides uniform heating for efficient and accurate repairs. The tempering glass design ensures more even heat distribution, reducing the risk of overheating sensitive components. This feature is especially useful for delicate tasks like refurbishing PCBs or preheating chips before soldering to improve rework efficiency. Number 1. Honton HT R490 BGA Rework Machine. The Honton HT R490 BGA Rework Machine is a professional-grade soldering and rework station tailored for precision and efficiency. Whether you're repairing BGA, PBGA, or CSP chips, this machine is packed with features to deliver reliable and consistent results, making it a standout tool for professionals and advanced hobbyists alike. Thanks for watching.